Good afternoon and welcome to the Midday News. I'm Antonia Atkinson. Here's what we have in the bulletin.
Frustration mounts as St. Elizabeth communities remain without water. Advocacy group demands greater government accountability. And later in sports, Mount Pleasant wins CFU Club Shield.
Thank you for joining. Now the details. Advocates are again raising concerns about transparency and accountability in the government as questions linger over Jamaica's reported third country national agreement, and the handling of Hurricane Melissa donation funds. As Sandy Williams reports, one advocacy group has taken its message to the streets by candlelight.
Under the glow of the moon and the flicker of candlelight, residents gathered in Nagohead, Portmore, St. Catherine Thursday night, united by concern and a call for answers. Members of the Advocates Network, along with supporters, held candles high. Others waved the black, green and gold, signaling what they describe as a nation at a crossroads.
What's going on now is wrong. Things running wrong. Things going in the wrong direction. And we cannot put up with it.
At the heart of their concern, the controversial third country national arrangement first brought to public attention through media reports and sparking debate about whether Jamaicans are being left in the dark.
And we want it to go to Parliament. We want it to table in Parliament because we the people have to know what them commit with to.
Kay Osborne, a good governance advocate, likened the situation to strangers being brought into a home without consent.
You and the man live a house. And him going to bring in some new people. Well, you don't know. We don't have a picnic. Back up at the gate to come in. And him now mind you and the picnic them good already. Anything can go, sir. And him not asking a question. Anything can go, sir. And that's a deportee deal.
But the calls for transparency don't stop there. Questions are also mounting over millions donated following Hurricane Melissa and the Support Jamaica website, which is privately owned, raising concerns about oversight and accountability.
There has to be more information about the Melissa money, we need to know more about the website that the government encourage people to put their money through. That we heard that the Support Jamaica website was owned by a private individual or a private company. That can be in the interest of the people.
For others at the vigil, the issue is about national pride and public participation in decisions that impact the country's future.
You can't be embarking on an international alliance like that one that engages foreign country and imposing upon us other people without us having a say in the matter. In fact, it should be discussed with the people.
The Advocates Network says the vigil is only the beginning, vowing to continue pressing for answers and urging Jamaicans not to remain silent.
So we are here because we believe in Jamaica. We believe in Jamaica too much to remain silent.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
The St. Mary police have seized an illegal firearm and taken one man into custody following a major joint security operation across Port Maria, Islington, and Anota Bay on Saturday. The operation, carried out by members of the JCF and the JDF, involved more than 100 personnel. During the intelligence-led operation, officers executed several search warrants and vehicle checkpoints. A Smith Wesson .3.8 revolver, ammunition spent casing, and a Glock magazine were recovered during a search of a property in Albion Mountain, Port Maria. Police say investigations are continuing. Seek help if you are struggling. That advice this afternoon from a member of the Education Ministry To students and parents ahead of the new school term, the call comes amid worries that some are turning to illegal means to fund their education. Details in this report.
The new academic year is now 1 full month away, meaning the usual back-to-school preparation stress is setting in for parents and guardians. The state minister in the Ministry of Education says now is the time for parents and guardians of top-performing students to seek help if they're struggling financially. She emphasized that asking for assistance is much wiser than turning to criminality to secure cash to fund students' education.
There's no shame in wanting help, asking for help, and receiving help. The only shame is if you want help, you don't ask for help, or you seek illegal means to get that help. As long as you're getting honest help, you're to be happy. So I see some of you a little shy and not very happy. Today is a happy day. Today is a big day.
The state minister was speaking at a scholarship awards ceremony put on by Jamalco. The Clarendon-based mining company has committed $23 million to be shared among 350 primary, secondary, and tertiary level students in the coming academic year.
I've never called on Jamalco, and Jamalco has said no. And even without calling on Jamalco, Jamalco is always calling on the members of parliament right across Jamaica and asking us to recommend persons for help. And that is one of the reasons I'm so thankful to Jamalco. And when you leave from here today, anywhere you see the name Jamalco, you need to shout it loud and speak of the goodness of Jamalco.
A third-year university student is one of the beneficiaries.
Receiving this scholarship will significantly reduce the financial burden associated with my education. As I enter the upcoming academic year, I am grateful that I will be able to focus more fully on my academic responsibilities and personal development, rather than being overwhelmed by concerns regarding outstanding financial obligations and not being able to complete my exams.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
Potholes along Main Street in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth have been testing the patience and skills of motorists for more than 5 months. Drivers say they have been forced to dodge the craters daily, leading to the countless near-miss incidents. But on Sunday, luck ran out. A Toyota Jeep and another motor vehicle collided after one of the drivers reportedly swerved to avoid the potholes. While both drivers escaped without injury, the incident has renewed calls for the road to be repaired.